Andres, this is first donut. He's having an old-fashioned donut. Today is May 6th. We get to go on our plane ride tomorrow morning. This will be interesting. He is such a busybody. I'm excited but yet worried. Because as you can see, this little boy is super active. He loves doing everything and being with everyone and moving and uh-oh. Uh-oh. He's 9 months, 9.5 months. It was raining last night, really bad. Loud thunder, but this little guy slept through it all. He can stand up. He can walk around the furniture now. He can dance a little bit. He likes donuts. Maybe that's a for sure sign he'll be a cop. Or help Brandon make donuts in his bakery when he gets older. Andres. Oh, he can sign too. A little bit. Andres. Andres. Adan. Adan. No, Andres is Adan. Bye-bye.